Alright folks, we got the 7mm-08 here. What we're doing a 2D print. That's where we hit a board, got the flower in between, and we're impacting the board behind it, and we're comparing the holes, the impact hole, and then after expansion through the flower, the hole on the board behind it. So y'all stay tuned and see how the 7mm-08 in American Whitetail from Hornady at 100 yards does. Okay, let's go see what we got. Here we go. Hit the board, little hole in, little hole out, and definitely knocked the flower. Let's see if we can't save the flower. And then we're coming into the board behind it. Yeah, we got a nice little. It kind of fudged it all up, but we can put this piece back together. That we can. And we can get a look at this hole. And we're into the jeans. Now I threw in a surprise. Into the jeans. Oh my God, there's another board behind the jeans. We are blown through that one. That's a square. That is definitely a square. Alright, so we're through there. Into the next pair of jeans. Oh, there's another board. Surprise, surprise. We are into those jeans. And here we go. I mean, now this is just boom, bang, pow right there. That is all that is going on. So that's fascinating. So we're into the third pair of jeans after hot dog. Hot diggity doo dah day. Found it. Guess it was barely in them jeans. Yep, found the bullet. So there we go. Fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. Here we go, recording this for the second time. We got the 7mm-08 in American Whitetail. What are we doing? We did the 2D print. Board, flower board. We got the entry on the first board. This is the entry on the second board. And if you go from deep inside, you got 6'4" on the hole. Then if you go from rim to rim on the tip, it's a little over an inch right there. So we went in from that. That went from that right there, hitting the flower, expanding, and turning into this right there. Pretty much a fit, but punched it. That's the force going around with it on there. Now after that, after we went into there, we had behind the board, this was together on the first take. It didn't break yet, but we had this and we had that right there, sneak attack going on. So we had the 7mm-08 hit the jeans, punched the hole. We're roughly looking at 7.9. It was 8 on the first take. So punched the hole, went in right there. Bam, knocked that, went into another pair of jeans, and then we had this happen right here. It didn't go, it just basically knocked it and split the wood. Right there, so that is not bad penetration for 7mm-08. Oh, let's just see some expansion here and some weight. All right, we're what, 2.5 roughly, and we 5.7. That is not bad at all. If you go top to bottom, if that is the top, 1/2 inch as well, and 139 grain. We didn't lose much of anything on there. Yeah, 139 grain we lost. 139 grit. We pretty much didn't lose anything. That's nice. That's some good retention right there for you. But yeah, we went from that to that. There you go. We go in reverse. We'll go from this to that. Ta-da.